The secret to bubble blowing is learning how to hum in the water. Now, most kids can hum out of the water, so that is a really great place to start. So I can say, hi kids, can you guys practice humming for me? Just outside the water for now. Hum. Very good. You can hum out of the water. Can you hum for 3 seconds? Hum. Good. Now guess what? If you put your nose in the water and hum in the water, we have magic bubbles that come out. Should we try it? Yeah? Okay. Hum. Put your nose in. Hum. Very good. What happened?
The magic bubbles came out.
Yes, you had the bubbles come out of your nose. The reason we hum outside of the water first is just to get them practicing that skill of humming. Once they hum in the water never gets up their mouth or their nose. Okay, if your child is having a hard time putting their face in the water, we can do some other fun activities maybe with them to try. So okay, can I have Mr. Fish, please?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. So I have Mr. Fish here, and Mr. Fish can help us just get kids excited or maybe a little bit more willing to put their face in, because that's where we have to start. So I have Mr. Fish here, all right? Mr. Fish is gonna go to here, he's gonna sink. All right, do you guys wanna talk to Mr. Fish? You wanna talk to Mr. Fish? Okay, so let's ask Mr. Fish a question, all right? We can practice by blowing bubbles to Mr. Fish, and he can hear what we have to say. So can you ask Mr. Fish how old he is? Let's see, let's blow our bubbles. Good job. Now, can you put your ear in to listen? How old is Mr. Fish? What did he say?
12.
12? Mr. Fish is 12? Very good. Okay, so if this is even a little too much, we can start by having them put their chin in the water. Can you get your chin in the water? Oh, so good, so good. Once they progress from chin, we can say, can you get your nose in the water? Can you put your nose? And some kids, they'll even just start with the tip of their nose. Yeah. Good job. All right, can you get your ear in the water? Good. Can you get your other ear in the water? Very good. Can you get your forehead in the water? So good. Now, can you put your forehead in the water and hum? Hum.